At HAKKO, we have been working on something incredible. Something powerful, yet sleek. A 200-watt dual-port soldering station with a compact design. This is the FX-972 dual-port soldering station from HAKKO. Experience lightning-fast heat-up times, empowering you to start soldering in seconds. The FX-972 offers a thoughtful design feature with a 15-degree tilt, ensuring clear visibility of critical information while working. In the world of precision soldering, every degree matters, which is why we put in an IR receiver to wirelessly receive tip offsetting from tip thermometers like our FG-100B and 101B. The new LCD screen dynamically shows icons representing the specific handpiece connected, providing users with a quick visual identification of the active tool. Effortlessly switch channels by picking up a handpiece, or use both channels simultaneously. The FX-972 offers versatility like never before, with a selection of distinct handpiece types to meet a wide range of soldering needs. Meticulously designed to cater to a wide range of applications. Unleash the power of the FX-972 with the HAKKO Control Software. Designed with an easy-to-use interface, the HAKKO Control Software gives you the power to change settings and parameters with just a click of a mouse. The FX-972 dual-port soldering station from HAKKO. It's for you.